Well, hello. Let me ask you a question. Why didn't the chicken want to get washed? Because he didn't want to air his dirty laundry. Well, that's staying in. Chef Dick McCracken, this is Cooked or Capped. We're gonna talk about chicken today. All right, I need everybody to take a breath because today we're talking about washing chicken. Yes, I know some of y'all just clutched your pearls. Should you wash chicken before cooking, or is that tradition straight cap? Let's go find out. You've heard it your whole life. Wash your chicken. Rinse that slime off. Get that smell off. Some people use water. Some people use vinegar. Some people use lemon juice. Some people go to full spa treatment. But is it actually making the chicken safer? Or are we just marinating our countertops in bacteria? Historically, poultry, aka chicken, wasn't processed as cleanly as it is now. There could be feathers, debris, visible residue. Back then, a rinse made sense, but modern commercial chicken is already clean during processing. So today, when you rinse it under the sink, you're not removing bacteria, you're spreading it all over the place. When you wash raw chicken, water splashes microscopic droplets. These droplets can travel up to 3 feet, 1 yard, 1 meter from your sink. That means countertops, cutting boards, your shirt, the sponge, faucet handle, anything within 3 feet. Your dog walking by. Dog shouldn't be in the kitchen though. Talking about chicken contamination, we had a group in our kitchen one time. They were washing chicken, which you should not do, in these very sinks right here. And then we contacted them and said, hey, you're not supposed to wash chicken. They kind of argued with us. And then we showed them a video of them having 19 chicken contact points throughout the whole kitchen. They touched everything. Door handles, sinks, knobs. We had to go through and sanitize pretty much the whole kitchen after them. So listen, don't touch anything after you touch chicken. Wash your hands. Guess what I didn't do? Wash it. That's correct. We patted it dry. That's all you have to do. Pat it dry. That dry surface is going to give it better browning when we go into the pan. Well, let me put on new gloves. And here's the irony. The people washing chicken are trying to make it cleaner, but the safest kitchens don't wash poultry. They control cross-contamination. All right, let's talk about something that sounds technical, but is actually super simple. Cross-contamination is basically when bacteria decide to go on an unexpected field trip. Side quest, if you will. Imagine this, you're cutting raw chicken, everything's fine, but then, without thinking, you grab a tomato knife and slice it. With the same knife, uh-oh, we're in trouble. Now, anything that was hanging out on that raw chicken, like salmonella or Campylobacter, yeah, that's it. Just hitch a ride to your fresh veggies. And unlike the chicken, those tomatoes aren't getting cooked to kill the bacteria. We like to cook our chicken to about 165, kills everything. That's cross-contamination. It can happen in 3 main ways. Food to food, raw meat touching ready-to-eat foods. Equipment to food, using the same knife, cutting board, or tongs without washing them. People to food, yep, our hands, that's the main one, are the biggest culprits. And here's the tricky part, you usually can't see it, smell it, or taste it. Food can look completely normal and still make someone sick. But don't panic. Preventing cross-contamination is actually easy. Wash your hands with soap and water, especially after handling raw meats. Use separate cutting boards. We like color-coded cutting boards. Clean and sanitize surfaces after prep. Store raw meat on the bottom of your shelf or your fridge so that it doesn't drip on the other foods. Think of it like keeping the raw team and the ready-to-eat team in separate locker rooms. Simple steps, big impacts. Because in the kitchen, we want bold flavors, not surprise bacteria. Let's see what the internet says. My grandma always washed it, and she lived to 92. Your grandma also smoked through 2 world wars. That's not science. It smells weird if you don't wash it. That's raw protein. It's gonna smell like raw protein. It's cultural. Traditions evolved. We used to cook everything the well done. All I'm doing today is just, I'm searing a couple chicken breasts up, browning the skin, gonna get a nice crust on them, gonna throw them in the oven, and then me and Ben are gonna eat these for lunch. Ooh, beautiful, beautiful, perfect crust. Yeah, hot pan. 350 tends to burn this chicken skin a little bit, so I like to do it right at 325. All right, All right, that one's done, 171. This one, not so done. All right, so we're gonna pull a little guy real quick. Alcohol wipes, it's your thermometer's best friend. Keeps it free of bacteria. This right here is a clean, brand new pair of tongs. Tongs.
I thought that was on purpose. Like,
No, it wasn't. Tongs, because the other one had raw chicken juice on it. Beautiful, man. Oh my God, that looks so good, doesn't it? What do the kids do? Well, it's not very loud. Well, it looks so good. I love chicken thighs. It's at 165. It's done technically, but on a bone-in piece, you want to go a little higher sometimes to like 170, 175. It might be a little salty. There's a lot of salt on top. It's all right. All right, we cooked it perfectly. We didn't cause any cross-contamination. I think we're good to go.
let's eat.
Let's eat. Oh, look at that browning. Beautiful. That's so good. I love chicken thighs.
Dude, that 325 is perfect for these skins. It's like fried.
Yeah, so good. Very crispy. So here's the truth. Does washing chicken remove bacteria? No. No, it does not. Does it increase the risk of spreading bacteria? Absolutely. Is washing chicken before cooking cooked or capped? That myth, cap. If you've been washing your chicken your whole life, don't panic, just stop. The best things, gloves. Using gloves and changing them frequently is a great way to help with cross-contamination. But the best way, wash your hands. Wash your hands. Just not chicken. Get in the comments and tell us what cooking myth we should do next. This is Chef Dick. This was Cooked or Cap. Look for the next episode.